Welcome back, YouTubers. This is the Dollar Scratch. I have three $2 tickets. They are White Elephant. And they're on from 3 to 5. Numbers 3 to 5. All right, let's get number 3 out. Read the directions. And I do have an AR Platinum coin as always. All right, it says match any of your numbers to either winning number, win prize shown for that number. Reveal a gift box symbol, win that prize instantly. Reveal a candy cane symbol, win all 10 prizes shown. All right, so let's get that candy cane then. It also has a second chance game. I haven't been putting them on like I should, but maybe next time I will input the second chance game with these tickets. I'll scan them. Like I said, I had to reset my phone, so I had to put the app back on. But in any event, here we go. 24 and 2. Let's see, can we get that candy cane? Or that box. Oh man, went too far there. Alright, it's 19, 13, 22, 6. Look, 24 minus 2 is 22. That don't work though. 11, 31. Look, 1 away. 3, 30. 12 and 18. Not a winner. All right, we're on number 4 now. All right, let's see. The winning numbers are 6 and 32. Our numbers are 23. Look at that. Backwards 32. A 3, 10, 16, 18, last row, 14, 35, 20, 30, 31, 1 away. Didn't get in that symbol. All right, the last ticket. All we can do is hope this is the winner. This is ticket number 5. Winning numbers are 2 and 31. All right, let's go. Let's get these numbers. Let's get these symbols, everything. All right, we got 20, not a win. 24, not a win. 17, not a win. 35, not a win. 29, not a win. Last 5. 8, not a win. 4, not a win. 10, not a win. 13, backwards 31. Doesn't count though. Last number. Here we go. 5. We lost this time. Well, there's always the next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as click the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please comment. And don't forget, this is the Dollar Scratcher. You have a good one. Bye.